Think of the Egyptian pyramids, or a mechanic lifting an engine with one hand. We aren't the strongest animals, but we are the most clever. We use simple tools to multiply our strength, turning impossible tasks into manageable ones. These tools are called simple machines. At their heart, all complex machinery is just a combination of 6 basic shapes: the lever, the pulley, the inclined plane, the wedge, the screw, and the wheel and axle. From the lid on a jar to the gears in a clock, they are the hidden components that make our world work. The magic behind them is a concept called mechanical advantage. It's a number that tells you how much a machine multiplies your effort. A mechanical advantage of 5 means the machine makes the load feel 5 times lighter. It's how a single person using a crowbar can lift a 100-kilogram rock with the same effort it takes to lift just 20 kilograms. But physics offers no free lunch. The core rule is a trade-off. What you gain in force, you must pay for in distance. Pushing a heavy box up a long ramp is easier than lifting it straight up, but you have to travel a much farther path. The total amount of work, that's force multiplied by distance, always stays the same. Simple machines don't save energy. They just make the energy easier for a human to provide. And it's not always about strength. A fishing rod actually makes the fish feel heavier. Its mechanical advantage is less than 1. The trade-off here is for speed and reach. A tiny flick of your wrist sends the lure flying a huge distance. This clever manipulation of force and distance is the genius of these 6 simple shapes, the fundamental alphabet of all engineering.